to, dance?
No, we are not.
Come in!
Top of the dice, we need it.
Can't fire on empty.
There be no Clank for me to walk in. Your hand lies with me. This is what she gets for trying to steal what is ours.
What's yours?
Shrubbery won't stop me. That won't be stopping me.
We're wearing him down.
You're not going to scuttle me.
One more hit.
Half my ideas! Our command ship is lost! Destroy it now! Will it be expenses? Are ye sure?
I suggest we abandon ship.
Suggestion noted. Nice one, Bolts. I'd be happy if I never saw a pirate again. Gotta admit, the fixer being a giant robot is not what I expected.
Perhaps when he is not fighting pirates, he is a gentle giant.
Not my experience with big robots, but you'll see. Let's find ammo.
One bar dice here. One bad die now.
Almost there!
The air says they be fixing to fix the fixer! Go fix them a quick death!
You're gonna pay for making us scuttle our own ship. Cut him down. To those rifts. You think you can get away so easily?
Keep them coming, Pierre! I'm just waiting for you to come down and fight me yourself!
I should have known scuttling you fools would be too easy.
Froze time.
Were you saying something, Pierre? I stopped listening.
All I go on without my greatest foe!
Good thing you'll never have to find out.
That's no bad dice. Thunderbolts, here at a time.
Sassy back.
Oh. Santi's with him. Oh, bad eye.
Pierre will take the hint.
Speaking from experience, he won't.
Perhaps now Pierre will take the hint.
Speaking from experience, he won't.
Right, ready for that? A big died in, really?
Be done for, and so shall
Can't stop now. Not when we're this close to the fixer.
Backfiring.
I be honored to blaspheme myself. Your scraggling men will pester Pierre no more. Your tail will be a fine swab for our gangs. You can't run from me.
Need a dice halfway there. Fun time.
Can't stand these shields.
Halfway there. Action. Right. Full hit.
What if the face quartz cannot be fixed?
We're in deep trouble. But there's no point in worrying about it now.
How exactly will we fix the fixer?
I guess we have to turn him on first.
Was he turned off because he was broken?
Huh! This must be the fixer's on switch! Hello? Are you, okay?
No, I am broken, as is everything. Nothing can be fixed.
Oh, grinding.
At least the pirates are taken care of.
Please focus on the grinding.
He's bringing the whole place down.
Junk ahead.
Fixing is a vague and fleeting measure. Destruction is our natural state.
What is he, the breaker now?
I see a fellow broken one. You must accept your brokenness.
Is he talking about me?
Because of your arm? Don't listen to him, Bolts. If you're broken, so am I. And I think we're pretty awesome. Do you have any ideas? Because I'm having a hard time thinking while running away from a giant homicidal robot!
I am working on it.
Mine's collapsed. Great.
Men is enlightened. I am not deserving of enlightenment. I have no wisdom.
Wisdom. I may have an idea.
I'm all ears.
I am broken. I cannot fix. I cannot be fixed.
Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall! Don't
I'm in to jump. There he is.
fall, don't fall, don't fall!
Oh dear.
Can everything stop falling apart, please?
I am fixed.
What are you doing?
Improvising. I may be different than I was, but you helped me realize I am still Clank.
I am quite relieved. When the bullets asked me to protect them, it opened my eyes to a great many broken things. So very many.
And you became distressed.
But being able to fix another, to see that all is not lost. How can I ever repay you both?
Can you fix this? Thank you.
You just gave an old giant robot the gift of hope. It should be I who is thanking you.
Phew. Let's get back to the ship, shall we?
Yes. Oh, I hope Ratchet had an easier time building a new dimension.
Hold that thought.
Sales are final, honey.
Yes. Oh, I hope Ratchet had an easier time building a new Dimensionator.
So, are we gonna talk about you rescuing me back there?
I did?
You did. Looks like you're a natural even in my dimension.
I thank you, Ribbit.
Woo! anyone can build a new Dimensionator, it's Ratchet. This is an ocean.
Pretty cool, right? And just think, once we forge this thing and save the dimension, you'll have a whole universe to explore.
How are you not afraid of the future? With all of its unknowns.
I do get, You asked me on Savali if I wanted to find my family. For a long time, I did. I mean, I really did. But the closer I got to doing that, what if they're not what I expected? What if I'm not what they expected? Anyways, I think we're here.
The Darrow Station houses the Emperor's most secret research.